Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. My motto is always simple and delicious. Today the star of the show is pancakes. It's so simple, just 2 ingredients, eggs and bananas. That's it. If you're looking for a breakfast that has low fat, protein, or gluten-free, this is the one you want. Let's get to mixing these up. So we'll start off with 2 eggs and 1 chopped up banana. And I'm going to use my little electric mixer. If you don't have one of these, you can use a fork or a potato masher. And that's it. There's enough here to make about 7 small pancakes. I like to also give mine a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir that in, and let's get over to the stove. So I like to put my pancake mixture in a cup with a little spout. Makes it a little easier for pouring. You put these on and don't mess with them. You only want to let them set up, and we're going to leave them on for about 3 minutes on one side. We see it bubbling a little bit in the center, and then we'll give them a flip. So it's been in there for about 3 minutes. It's time to give it a flip. They can be a little finicky. They're not quite as strong as a regular pancake. Just like that. Beautiful. Now it doesn't take as long on this side. It's only going to take a minute or so. I'm going to serve these up with some fresh fruit. They're going to be delicious. It's been on now for a minute. Time to take it off. We'll make a few more of these. Well, there they are, folks. They look delicious. You can put all sorts of different toppings on these. I spoke with one person that likes to put some peanut butter on theirs. Maybe you like some fresh yogurt. The choice is yours, but the flavor of these pancakes are delicious. I got a little bit of blueberries, strawberries, and a little drizzle of maple syrup. And now, the best time, I get to try it. Oh my, so delicious. It's like banana bread and a pancake that met each other. It's so delicious. Folks, I hope you enjoy my recipes. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to YouTube. You hit the red button and you'll get notified every time I put out a new video on Mondays. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.